Everyone, this is your Babji Ram. So in this video we are going to talk about the concept of do while loop. So in previous two videos we know that what is while loop and what is for loop, and here we are going to talk about the concept of do while loop. So do while loop is nothing but exit control looping technique. That means first body is executed and after that modification takes place as per our logic, and then condition is verified. Okay, so that means first without any kind of condition directly body is executed, and after that condition is verified. Sometimes after body modification takes place, after modification condition is verified. So if given condition is true, then this loop is continued, right? If given condition is false, body is executed only one time. So you can clearly observe that, so body executes at least once. So this is the concept of do while loop. Okay, I already given example like bus example. So like you are traveling between two villages or two places, directly you are entered the bus without any verification of the ticket. Okay, directly entered the bus. After some time conductor will comes to you and he will ask the ticket. If you give the money, your journey will be continue, otherwise your journey will be stops, right? But you observe one thing, some journey is completed. Okay, so one more point is do and while both are called as keywords. Do and while both are comes under keywords. Okay, so let us observe the syntax of do while loop. The syntax of do while loop as follows. See, first one is comes under initialization. So this initialization is optional, and after the initialization we are going to define do. Okay, do is the keyword followed by open flower braces, and we can define more than one statements, and after that we are going to write modification, maybe increment of the value or decrement of the value. This is also optional, and after that we are going to define condition. And one important point, after condition semicolon, only do while loop contains semicolon at the end of the condition. Remaining all conditions there are no semicolons. Okay, so there are no semicolons. So this is the basic syntax of do while loop. Initialization, do is the keyword, and this is comes under body, and after that modification and condition. So let us go with the working. So the working will be like this. This is the step 1, assign value to the variable, and this is step 2, without any verification directly body is executed. Then this is step number 3. Okay, and after modification there is verification of condition, that is comes under step number 4. So if given condition is true, then body is executed next time. This is step number 5. So this one we can call it as loop. Okay, so this one we can call it as loop, and after that this process is continued. Again body is executed. Okay, again body is executed. Again body executed, again modification takes place, and this process is continued until if given condition is false, exit from the loop, right? So the working is little bit of different comparing with the while loop and for loop, because body first then condition. In early cases first condition next body. So this is the difference. Okay, this is only do while loop, and this is comes under while and for loop, right? So this is the basic syntax and working of do while loop. So that this is the basic diagram of do while loop. Okay, first one is initialization, and after initialization there is no kind of condition, there is no checking, no true, no false, directly statement is executed, and after that value is modified. Okay, maybe increment of the value or decrement of the value, and after that condition is verified. So the condition is nothing but text expression. If given condition is true, then again body is executed second time, and again value is modified second time, again condition is verified. So this process is called as looping. Okay, and if given condition is false, if given text expression is false, it is exit from the loop. Okay, so this is the concept of do while loop. So this is the flow diagram or workflow of do while loop. Let's take one example, basic example of the do while loop. So we are taking some examples. Okay, the first basic example is we are taking int I value is 1, and after that we are going to define do, then printf directly I have to write like %d and printing of I value, then I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. Okay, and after that we had to define condition. So what is the condition? The condition is like while, so I had to define I value less than 5, I value is less than 5 semicolon. So this is the basic example. Let us analyze the example here. Initially I value is the 1, do printf directly I value printed as 1 first time, and after that I value becomes 2 because I value 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, and now 2 is less than 5, given condition is true, then second time 2 is printed. Okay, the output is 1, 2, and after that again value will be 3, 4, and once given condition is like this, exit from the loop. So you can clearly observe that one thing here, it is nothing but 1 without any verification, 1 is directly printed, 2, 3, 4 printed with verification, right? That's the difference you have to find out. So the finally output of this program is, this is the output of the program. I hope you understand this example. See, once you have to observe the one more example which is related to do while loop. So initially C value is 5. Okay, and after that without any kind of verification directly we are printing hello. Without any verification hello is printed, and after that C value is increments. What is the value of C? 5. So the 5 is incremented by 1, that means 6. C plus plus means C equal to C plus 1, that means plus 1. 5 plus 1, that is nothing but 6. Okay, so what is the condition right now? The condition is 6 less than 5. Given condition is true or false? Given condition is false. Okay, so then loop is exit or terminated. See, without verification of the program, without verification of the condition, directly statement is executed by the hello. So this is the output. Okay, like example of the conductor earlier we discussed, right? The same scenario here. Okay, I hope you understand what is the do while loop. So without verification of the condition, body is executed directly, right? Okay, I hope you understand what is a do while loop, right? See, comparing with the while loop and do while loop is the best one. Okay, and do while loop is going to be used some kind of special cases of the program, and comparing these two, for loop is most efficient looping technique. Okay, so this is the video, guys. For the next video we'll discuss some more programs followed by nested for loop, right? Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions related to this program or this kind of do while loop or loops, comment in the box. Okay, like the video, guys, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.